Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Niece Nation Game Company for sending me this little box. It's called Rekindle, and it's just adorable. In the day and age of technology, we have really lost the one-on-one communication, and this is a wonderful way to begin conversation in our home with our loved one. It's just little quotes, questions. There's 90 in a box, and this particular one says, "What was the most terrifying ordeal of your life?" A nice conversation starter. If money, schools, family, and so forth were not a concern, where in the world would you want to live and why? These are great conversation starters, and there's 90 of them. You can take one a day and just start conversations with your loved one, your partner, your family. Involve them in just conversation. I think they are truly great. And you can reflect on the question. You can think about it and then maybe answer it at another time. But they are great conversation starters. I hope that you'll give them a try for your family and start talking to each other. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.